Do you think all millionaires live for the spotlight? Flashy cars, luxurious vacations, and giant houses might come to mind. But what if the real path to wealth actually lies in discretion, in a quiet confidence that doesn't need to shout? Today, we're diving into the hidden strategies of those who build wealth silently. This mindset, known as silent wealth, focuses on understated success, a lifestyle that's as enriching as it is empowering. Understanding silent wealth. Let's start by understanding what silent wealth truly is. It's not about hiding your money or secretly stashing away fortunes. Instead, it's about cultivating a mindset that prioritizes genuine financial growth over appearances. Silent wealth allows you to accumulate assets and create financial stability without the need for attention. Picture it as a calm, steady stream flowing toward wealth, rather than a flashy waterfall that attracts every eye. This approach doesn't mean you can't enjoy nice things, but it changes the motivation behind what you do. People who embrace silent wealth value their privacy and tend to avoid spending money to impress others. They're secure enough to know that wealth doesn't need to be validated externally. It's this mindset that enables them to stay focused on what truly matters, achieving financial independence and growing assets. The millionaire mindset. Silent wealth can't be separated from the millionaire mindset, an intentional set of beliefs and behaviors that drive financial success. This mindset isn't inherited, it's cultivated over time. While it might look different for each person, the core principles remain the same. Let's go through the pillars of the millionaire mindset that help build silent wealth. Number 1. Self-responsibility. The journey to silent wealth begins with self-responsibility. Imagine your financial life as a car you're driving. You're the one in control of where it goes. Millionaires understand that they are the architects of their financial destiny. They don't blame external circumstances or wait for someone else to improve their lives. Instead, they focus on what they can control: their decisions, their investments, and their goals. Taking full ownership of your financial path doesn't just help you achieve success, it empowers you to stay resilient when times get tough. Number 2. Commitment to wealth. Many people want to be rich, but few are actually committed to building wealth. This commitment goes beyond mere desire. It requires concrete actions and unwavering focus. Think of it like planting a garden. Anyone can scatter seeds, but it takes true dedication to tend to those plants every day. Wealth builders are disciplined, staying focused on their goals and working hard even when results aren't immediate. They make sacrifices when necessary and always keep their financial vision in sight. Number 3. Big thinking. Silent wealth builders don't limit themselves with small dreams. They think big, knowing that if they set their sights high, they're more likely to reach financial freedom. Big thinking doesn't mean setting unrealistic goals. It means having the courage to aim higher than what feels comfortable. This mindset helps them seize larger opportunities and expand their vision. Instead of only aiming to pay off debts or save a little money, they focus on building long-term wealth through investments, passive income, and high-value projects. Number 4. Opportunity-focused mindset. While many people see obstacles, those with the millionaire mindset focus on opportunities. They have a positive, solutions-oriented outlook that allows them to see possibilities where others see problems. For instance, during a financial downturn, a person with this mindset might look for undervalued investments instead of panicking. By staying focused on opportunities, they can adapt to changes in the market and find ways to grow their wealth in various circumstances. Number 5. Respect for wealth and success. One key difference between the millionaire mindset and an average mindset is admiration for success. Instead of resenting the wealthy, people with silent wealth take inspiration from successful individuals. They know that envying others won't bring success. Learning from them will. This respect for success enables them to gain insights, pick up strategies, and even adopt habits that can aid their financial growth. Practical steps to cultivate silent wealth. Building silent wealth is a journey. It requires consistent effort and commitment. Here are practical steps that anyone can take to start cultivating the millionaire mindset and silently building wealth. Number 1. Embrace lifelong learning. One of the cornerstones of silent wealth is knowledge. Wealth builders understand that learning is an ongoing process and never truly ends. They read books, attend seminars, and stay updated on financial news. Education is their strongest asset. It provides them with the tools to make informed financial decisions. Learning can range from understanding investment strategies to developing skills that increase earning potential. By investing in their personal growth, they're constantly expanding their capacity to earn and manage money. Number 2. Master financial management. Effective financial management is essential for building wealth. This means creating a budget that aligns with long-term financial goals, tracking spending, and prioritizing investments over unnecessary purchases. Silent wealth isn't built on splurges and luxury. It's rooted in responsible spending habits. Setting up a budget and sticking to it allows you to allocate more money towards savings and investments, helping your wealth grow over time. Number 3. Cultivate positive networks. The people you spend time with can significantly influence your mindset. Surround yourself with individuals who share your financial values and who motivate you to grow. Being around successful, driven people can inspire you, challenge you, and open doors to new opportunities. Networking also provides access to advice, mentorship, and potential partnerships that can help you reach financial goals faster. Number 4. Practice frugality with a purpose. Frugality is one of the cornerstones of silent wealth. It's not about being cheap. It's about being smart with your resources. Frugal millionaires make conscious spending decisions, focusing on value rather than appearance. They avoid lifestyle inflation, meaning they don't feel the need to constantly upgrade their possessions to keep up with others. Instead, they prioritize spending on things that align with their values and financial goals, allowing them to save and invest more. Number 5. Automate savings and investments. Automation is a powerful tool for building silent wealth. By setting up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts, you can ensure that money is consistently directed toward your financial goals. This approach is simple, yet highly effective. It takes discipline out of the equation by making saving and investing a habit. Over time, these small, regular contributions accumulate, forming the foundation of wealth. Number 6. Make informed investment decisions. Silent wealth builders don't just save, they invest. Investing allows money to work for you, creating passive income streams that can grow your wealth over time. A diversified portfolio that includes stocks, real estate, or mutual funds can provide financial stability and growth. Research your investments thoroughly and consider consulting a financial advisor to make informed choices. Strategic investments allow you to manage risks and secure returns. Number 7. Manage debt wisely. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom, so it's crucial to manage it wisely. Silent wealth builders avoid high-interest debt and pay off any outstanding balances quickly. By reducing debt, they free up more resources for savings and investments. Maintaining a good credit score also ensures that they can access better financial opportunities if needed, such as lower interest rates on loans. Number 8. Create additional income streams. One of the key principles of the millionaire mindset is creating multiple sources of income. This could include starting a side business, freelancing, or investing in rental properties. Having more than one income stream provides security and accelerates wealth-building efforts. When you aren't solely dependent on a single paycheck, You can explore new financial opportunities and grow your wealth faster. The power of mindset shifts. Transforming your financial reality begins with changing your mindset. Silent wealth is built on habits that prioritize long-term gains over short-term pleasures. Wealth builders view money as a tool to reach goals rather than an end in itself, focusing on freedom, security, and well-being. They avoid comparing themselves to others, staying grounded and content with their choices. Lastly, they prioritize their health and mental well-being, recognizing that true wealth includes balance. These mindset shifts set the foundation for a life of purpose, stability, and financial growth, quietly but powerfully. The art of silent wealth is about much more than money. It's a mindset, a way of living that emphasizes discretion, responsibility, and long-term vision. Embracing the millionaire mindset means cultivating habits that support steady, sustained growth and creating a life that values inner wealth over external appearances. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and get more tips on building a successful, unconventional lifestyle. Thanks for watching.